A lone Viking man stands at the edge of the dock, his boat bobbing gently in the calm water. He takes a long pole with a net at one end and tests the depth of the water. She leans over the side, her fingers deftly bailing out any remaining water.
CapCut just changed the game. With its hidden AI tools, you can now create full videos in seconds. No editing skills needed, just a few clicks. And honestly, it's a goldmine. Take a look at this YouTube channel. It was launched just 3 months ago. Since then, they have uploaded a new video almost every day and have already gained over 569,000 subscribers. In just 3 months, they have received millions of views. And check out another channel that's posting simple shorts about historical facts. It gained over 300,000 subscribers with just 22 videos. Each one is pulling in millions of views. The history niche is truly evergreen. That's what makes it perfect for YouTube automation. And here's the best part: we used to need a bunch of tools just to make one video, but now all you need is CapCut. If you're looking for an untapped goldmine for your faceless YouTube channel, stick around. This might be exactly what you need. Just click here on the AI Video Maker. Once you do, you'll be taken to this screen, the main interface. Welcome to the free all-in-one AI Video Maker. You'll see options like New Project, or you can choose one of the quick tools below. There's Instant AI Video, then Brainstorm with AI, which is great for coming up with ideas, finding information, and quickly writing strong scripts. You also have Avatar Video and Match Media to Script, which lets you match visuals to your script with one click. All these tools are right here on the main screen, so there's no need to open them individually, unless you want to jump straight into one. Below that, there's Simplify Creation with AI Templates. Perfect for making Reels, TikToks, or YouTube Shorts. For now, I'll show you how to recreate a Sleepless Historian style video, even if you're a beginner, using the simple methods I'm about to share. Just click New Project, and you'll be taken to this screen. Step 1 is to write your script. The screen looks plain on purpose. It's designed to be simple and easy to use. Here you can either type in your own script or paste one if you already have it ready. Now I'm going to show you how to create a script using CapCut's AI Script Generator. Just click on it and then select Create Script. You'll see options like topic, key points, duration, writing style, and more. We'll go through each step. For example, I'm making a video for Sleepless Historian, so I'll enter Day in a Viking Fishing Village as the topic. In the description box below, explain the kind of video you want to create. The more details you give, the better the results. Then down here, we have the duration options: 1 minute, 3 minutes, 5 minutes, or 10 minutes. It's amazing because CapCut will actually generate a full 10-minute script for you. Then down here, we have Mimic Writing Style. If you already have a YouTube channel with videos and a specific writing style, you can copy the scripts from your old videos and paste them here. CapCut will then match the new script to your existing style, so everything stays consistent and on brand. The next section down here is More Requirements. So once you're happy with everything, just click Create. Your script will start generating here, which usually takes about 20 seconds. Once it's done, you'll see that we've just created a complete video script, which is exactly what we need. Now that the script is ready, let's move on to creating the full video. First, open the Scenes menu, then go to Voice Settings. Here, you'll need to choose a voice that fits your video. Once that's done, just click the Apply to All button. In a minute or two, the voiceover will be applied to the entire video. If you're not happy with it, simply choose another voice to replace it. Let's add visuals to the video. To do that, open the Media menu, where you can either import your own files or choose from stock media. However, the easiest option is to use the built-in generator. Go ahead and open it. Now, choose a visual style for your images. There are plenty of options. For this video, I'll go with the neoclassical style. Once that's set, go to the Aspect Ratio section and make sure to select 16:9, as that's the standard format for long-form videos. Now, finally, click the Apply to All button to start the generation process. This will take around 2 to 3 minutes, depending on the length of your video. Once it's done, you'll see that all the scenes for the entire video have been successfully generated. Let's start with the Elements tab. The first thing we'll do is remove any auto-generated caption templates. The video we're replicating doesn't use subtitles, likely because the goal is to help viewers relax and fall asleep while watching. Next, open the Music menu and search for history-themed tracks. all available options in that genre will appear. Once you find one you like, simply apply it to your video. So you now have a lot of powerful editing tools at your fingertips. You can rewrite any part of the script using the tool, change the voiceover, or even replace individual scenes. For example, if you don't like a particular scene, you can click on AI Media to explore generative AI visuals. Let's say you're looking for a visually captivating scene. AI Media is a great option for that. So I could, for example, add this one to the scene and then click on Add to Scene. And just like that, your entire video is ready to export. To do so, click the Export button at the top. If you want to make a few more edits, what I love is that there's an Edit More button at the top right. When you click it, your entire video is placed into the CapCut timeline for further editing. That's where you can see everything, including all the images it created, and make even more edits if you want. Now go to the Effects tab and search for the Vapor effect. You can also add the Spark effect. The video looks great now, so feel free to export it in 1080p, 2K, or even 4K resolution.
A lone Viking man stands at the edge of the dock, his boat bobbing gently in the calm water. He takes a long pole with a net at one end and tests the depth of the water. She leans over the side, her fingers deftly bailing out any remaining water. They are a motley crew, each with their own weathered face and calloused hands, their eyes reflecting the dancing light of the fire. The towering masts of the boats in the harbor seem to pierce the fog, creating eerie silhouettes against the darkening sky.
I'm impressed with the result with just a few clicks. I made a full video in a few minutes. One important thing to know is that you can use CapCut on any device. You can easily download it for your PC or Windows from CapCut's official website. If you're a Mac user, there's a version for you too. You can also download CapCut on your phone. It's available for both Android and iOS, and it's super easy to install. Since the new AI Video Maker is completely free to use, I honestly think it's one of the most powerful video creation tools out there. So don't miss out. And as always, keep creating, and I'll see you in the next one.